Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You dead, really? After that? You didn't survive that? Okay.
Your blood is everywhere. I think I need to go down there. I'll go back there. There's no other way. Is that you?
Yeah, I've got some zombies on my behind me. Not anymore.
What? There's more. Oh, pick up. Kill them while I'm picking up gold. Hi! You just come out to die. Oh, that's so much gold. Okay, I'm going up.
There's so many bodies.
Gold. Gold. Oh, no gold. Oh, there's 3. There's
this one.
Oh, there's something in there. What? Where did you from?
Flower. No, I don't want that.
Gold. Where did he from? That's
I heard something, but I don't know where it is.
crazy. Are you upstairs?
No.
Oh, that's him.
If there's more.
Pick up the gold. There's more coming.
Ah.
I just don't see.
More easy.
Oh!
Oh! It sure knows the axe factory sure makes a lot of money in this one. Everyone buys an axe.
What is this? Oh, it's just ammo. Oh, what is that blinking? Grenade. We need that.
You take the no.
Oh. Where am I? I think I'm lost. Oh, what is that? Another hand grenade.
How can you be lost when you're on the balcony?
I'm in the balcony.
Yeah, I don't see you. What happened to you?
Where
did you go? Are you on the second floor now?
I think I
This
said.
looks like
Oh yeah.
a system point. Okay, 4, emblem number 8. You reach the top floor of this building at the assist jump. Turn around. Get your sniper rifle. Look up. And you will find number 8. There you go. And assist jump, how? What?
Time to jump. Oh.
Whoa, that is some jump. You are very athletic. Let me go down. I'm sure something is going to happen. Let's see.
Okay, let me take this. Gold, please. Oh yes. Oops. I think it's wrong.
Wait.
Oh yeah. Am I wearing my vest? How come I cannot see it?
It is invisible. It is what do you call it?
What is that?
Bulletproof bikini.
Okay, I'm jumping down now.
Okay, jump. I am ready. If there's any. Oh my
What?
gosh!
What? There's so much. Wow, what was that? I need to go down. Oh, there's so much coin.
Oh, that's you. Oh crap! Did it hurt you? No.
Do not do anything. I have them.
More coming.
I know, I have them.
I
Boo.
feel so helpless.
Oh,
Can't do nothing. I'm stuck.
okay, you stay there.
I have a feeling something else will happen.
Okay.
Oh. You saved me. You are my prince in shining armor.
There's nothing. There's nothing.
I know. You just open it for me.
Ah.
Oh, let's go. Is there any flowers here? Where do you go? You went around. Yeah, go around and in the house. I'll stay here. Or are you waiting there, hiding there? Hide there,
Yep.
hide there.
I'm hiding here, actually looking for
Let's see
Oh,
if
no.
I can find something.
there's come on.
Oh,
Haha.
don't
Come
die.
here.
That's a flower.
Come here,
Checkpoint.
guys. I'm waiting for them to come.
What is this? Oh no, what is that? Oh, what? Chainsaw? I'm not staying around from this.
I have nothing to hide. I'm in the corner. Oh
Yes,
shucks. It's you there. It's you there. I'm gonna Oops, it's you.
He's dead.
It's dead.
Small guys left.
They're dead, then let's go.
I said the big guys.
What? The big guy is dead.
Yeah. Oh, they have something. A key. I missed that. Okay, let's go. I think this is our...
He's still alive! Run! Run fast! He's still alive!
What?
He's still alive! But I'm so slow running! Why? He's still alive! I thought you killed him!
I thought so too.
How did you...
Forget that treasure. Press.
That's crazy!
Yeah, how's that possible?
How did you pick up the key?
Yeah. Good question. Super person. I hope it doesn't come this way too. Stay there.
Wait, I'm a bit confused.
I get confused too. Is that the next level villain or what?
I don't know. That's very surprising.
That is insane.
Where
Flower.
did you came?
There. In there.
Should I go there?
Yeah, I'm in here. I'm in my garage with my car. Someone stole my car.
Oh, flowers, love. Oh, my herb is full. Maybe I can
You can
combine.
combine the red and the green there.
I was very scared. I was just almost step.
You were stepping there and he goes...
Yes, and then I get up. Oh my god.
Okay.
We go where?
This is a train. Where? I think we go there. There's a fence there.
There?
I'm standing the wrong way. Here. This way. This is the same as the bridge.
Open.
Two-man gate.
Oh,
What is this? Whoa, he's definitely barbecue.
why so many birds?
Dead.
Dead bodies?
Something's gonna happen.
Oh
Whoa!
my god. Dodge. There. Oh, there's more. Wow, my goodness, look at that mouth. And there are too many of them.
Yeah, they're everywhere. We are not standing a very good chance.
Can we make it?
Hopefully. Yes,
Yeah,
we
oh
made
god.
it.
That was so hard.
Oh, someone shot
Who's
that.
shooting them? There's a sniper. Huh? Oh!
We're getting assistant.
Help! We're getting help. Oh god.
Ooh.
Oh god.
There's more people coming.
There's more. Bang! Oh. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no, you're out.
Help! Cool.
How did he get down there?
Whoa.
Reinforcements are here, finally.
I think we need to.
Man, am I glad to see you guys. Good at the decapitation. Resurrect. Sheva.
Thanks, Josh. I owe you one.
You guys know each other.
I trained under Josh.
Oh, this is Josh.
Sheva became a little sister of the team. Now, Sheva, you must continue your search for Murphy. According to the data we retrieved from the hard drive, we believe he has moved on to the mining area. There's no info inside. We will follow after taking care of business here. You keep your radio handy just in case.
Thanks, Josh. Chris, are you alright?
This picture, it's... Forget it. It's nothing. Let's move out.
What a liar. Okay, that wraps up chapter 2-1. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.
Goodbye. God bless. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.